Hey guys, Havasu out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hope you're having a great day so far. We're going to go out and take a look at a brand new RV garage home listing. It sits on a big 12,000 square foot R2 lot. We're going to go check it out. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, so we're coming up off the highway 95 up Oro Grande here, just so you can kind of see how you would get to it from the highway. Eventually this will be the access point to the launch ramp and marina that's going in on the south end of town. So it's only about a mile or so to access that part of town and head to the launch ramp. So this is kind of what we consider to be an up-and-coming area on the south end of town, because once that launch ramp and marina goes in, it's going to be a game changer for this side of town for sure. I apologize, the video's a little shaky. I just had to rig it up here so I could drive safely. So here's Vaquero right here. Should be a nice, quiet street. Here's the house. I'm gonna go to the end of the block and turn around a little bit. Park on the other side of the street. Nice stuff all around. I didn't see any junk, which is good. There are some duplexes around. These are all big R2 lots, so you can put a big house on these. Alright guys, we're out here at 1341 Vaquero Drive. This thing sits on a huge R2 lot, 12,632 square feet. It's just listed yesterday. Nice stuff around for the most part. There's a couple duplexes here and there because these are R2 lots. The street is a short street, so it's super quiet. This guy just got back fishing. Go inside and check it out. So this does have RV or at least side parking on both sides of the house. You need about 9+ feet to get an RV back there. So I measured them. There's about 13 feet on both sides, side access, which is plenty of room for an RV. Does have the tall doors. All right, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2017, 1,790 square feet. Again, this is on that big R2 lot, 12,632 square feet. Our basic Havasu lot is about 10,000 square feet. They also did the wall and all the wrought iron work in the back, so it's completely ready for a pool. Also has all pre-wiring, even for the alarm. Got a nice little dining area at the front of the house. Nice little modular kitchen island, granite countertops, stainless appliances. Little pantry. It is a split floor plan, has the vaulted ceilings. So you have your indoor laundry and door to the garage. This is the master suite, tall ceilings. Got your master bath with dual vanities, granite counters. Nice tile walk-in shower. You have your walk-in closet. The laundry room, no counter or sink. So you have your guest bath. You have bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Just your typical standard setup. You have bedroom number 3 at the rear of the house. It has a 3-door slider closet, so it's a little bigger than normal. Let's go check out the garage in the backyard. All right, so this is a 2-car garage with an 8-foot door. It's about 25 feet deep. Then you have an RV garage that's drive-through and has dual swamp coolers. The door is only just shy of 14. It's like 13.6. Also has full hookups in here. You have all your RO, home runs for your irrigation and timer, and then a water heater. The water softener would go right here in that loop. All right, so you have this huge R2 lot. Fortunately, they already did the wall and gate, because that's a huge cost to a potential buyer. If they wanted to put a pool in here and needed a wall as well, it would just be very expensive to do. So it has a full-length, extra wide patio. Tons and tons of space back here to do pretty much whatever you want. Tons of side parking. That's 14 feet, 13 to 14 feet. Alright, so we're leaving the house. We're just going to drive up the street a little bit. So this is Oro Grande right here, and left is west and right is east. And we came from the left, so anyways. So this kind of just takes you up into town, just so you know, and it's pretty easy access. I did stay out in front of the house for a few, not one car drove by, so it's definitely not a shortcut street to anywhere that I could tell. So anyways, let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, guys, Havasu back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walkthrough over here at the house on Vaquero. If you guys have any questions, all my contact information is right below this video. Always feel free to reach out to me with any questions at all. I also put a direct link to the listing detail page, so you guys can check out the original listing pictures and get all the pertinent listing information. So you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.